Did you know why yawning is contagious? You need to know this. The contagious yawn, a peculiar and fascinating phenomenon, is a subconscious reaction that has captivated researchers and individuals alike. It is commonly experienced when observing or even thinking about someone yawning. The contagious yawn occurs due to a process known as mimicry. Human beings have an innate tendency to imitate the actions and emotions of others, often unconsciously. When we witness someone yawning, our mirror neurons fire, triggering a yawning response in ourselves. This imitative behavior is believed to be deeply rooted in empathy and social bonding mechanisms. Moreover, research suggests that contagious yawning is influenced by factors such as empathy levels, social connectedness, and the strength of interpersonal relationships.